Hello. So thank you everyone for coming next. So I have come with a different version of M2 plugin. So this is just a few modifications of what is existing and a few functionalities which I have added. So I'll take you through what I have added and what are the improvements I have done. So currently, as you were aware, we were able to download a FO BOW copy, CM BOW copy, delivery report, and option chain already. Okay, so now what I have done is I've improved performance in some of the existing features. So as you see, this is the download WoW copy for cash market. So if you see now, it's very fast, right? Before it was taking a lot of time. So that is one. Second is for FO, same thing. Now if you can see, it will be comparatively faster, right? Yes. So it is faster. And if you see what is the total number of records have came, it's now 35,000 records, right? So it is really quite fast, 35,000 record in a really short duration of time, right? And similar to for delivery report, yes. So that is also came. All the records, 1700 records in less than 2-3 seconds. So I think that is really good. Okay. Now what is difference here is export. So now the export will be there. First it was in beta, because some users requested me to be put it, but I was not clear on what their actual requirements were. So I have put that in beta. Now looks like they are satisfied with this. So now I put it in completely. So if you need something to be different in this exported data, you can just comment me. I will try to make sure to what are changes needed and provide you the different changes. Okay. So now if you see, this is for CM, right? So what I'm doing to export here is I'm exporting the ticker. So ticker is the symbol name, then the date, open, high, low, close, and volume for the day. Okay, so first it was delivery percentage, then some people said they want, they don't want, and it was a confusion. So I just removed the delivery percentage for them. Okay, so it's now just very simple. Okay, so if you just do it, it will give you a file option to save your file. So you just write some file name. I already tried it because for recording this video, before recording this video, I was doing this. So I tried it. So I'll just type it CM26. So if you see, it's very fast. It will just save it. Uh, I put it in downloads folder. So this one, right? Yes. I'm opening it in Notepad++. I can open it in Excel also. I'm just opening here to just to be viewed by everyone. Okay, and similar changes for FO. So FO also, the little different in the columns are, after volume we have added an OI. So what is the OI for that given symbol? You will see it here. You see FO 26 wow X. It's done. Yes. So you can see now I've changed the symbol names to based on the expiry's relevant expiry. So nearest expiry will be 1 second, then and then third expiry. Okay, and this is the OI for that FO contract. I'm not putting the OI for all the options, so it's just an FO OI. Okay, and there is a little change here is in this export we are not exporting the options, we are exporting only the futures indices for this. So that's why you can see the difference in FO is only 22 KB, whereas in BOW copy it's 70 KB, right? But actually everyone knows that FO BOW copy is quite huge compared to CM BOW copy, right? So if you see, FO BOW copy has around 35,000 plus rows, and whereas CM BOW copy has only 1900 rows, right? So in 1900 also we have other scripts also like BCM. So we are just counting equity for CM, and other things we are not counting. So those things will be also there. And for FO we are not counting the like call put or whatever other things comes, right? So let's come to the option chain part. So in option chain, as this is what was there before also, that you have to put the NSE URL which you want to download it here. Okay, this is the old NSE website URL. So if you are going to beta and putting that URL, it will not work. So you have to copy that URL, put it here. Okay, and it will come. So here also the beta performance has been improved. Before it was taking a lot of time. So I improved the performance. I removed the formatting which it was doing before, because those formattings were taking extra time. So this formatting, if you want, you can do it to yourself. Okay, so these are all the data is coming. Now the very different thing what we have done is this FO, this not FO, but for this option chain is, if you guys remember, first it was like that we have to wait for 3 minutes to make a new call to FO, else NSE site was capturing the IP and blocking it. So I have done a little trick over here, so that I get escape from the NSE to block my IP. So now if you can see, I am able to make multiple requests and it will keep on updating for faster. Updated looks like. Let me do it on new page so that I can know that to know what happened. Things doesn't work when you're doing demo, right? It looks like it has updated. Let me see in plain text. See, it updated, right? So it's not waiting for you for 3 minutes now. Okay. And the new thing what I have come here is, one is strategy builder. I'll go to option strategies later. So here in strategy builder, you can create your own strategy, call, put, and future it's showing, but we are not counting future when you are generating payoff. So suppose I say Nifty and say I take a strike of 10, 3 and 350. With the price, I'm not sure what is the price, but I say 150 is the price and I have one quantity. It's 75, but I'm putting one here. And then I'm let me sell the call of say Nifty 450. So I'm just assuming the price will be somewhere around 90. I'm not sure. Okay, so if I'm selling this, I click, yeah. And now if I see the payoff graph, what happens is it will show me the payoff, right? So this is my payoff line. So and this is the table. So it will show me when I'm getting profit. So I'm into profit at 10,450 only. Before that, I'm not into profit because of this prices. I'm not sure these prices are right, because I've just taken arbitrarily for whatever is coming in my mind at this point in time. Okay. So this is the option calculator, and you can use it for any number of option here. Okay, and you can use it. Just make sure you provide the correct strike interval. So because if you have taken this tool, then it will consider two strike intervals between this, right? Because it doesn't know how many strike to consider interval between them. So that's why you have to be very sure what is the strike what you are entering. Okay, so this is one part. Now this is the boring work, right? You have to manually remember all your strategies, and then you have to come here, add it, and then you have to do it, right? This is really boring, right? So I have done a little automation to this. So this option strategy, same thing here. It takes the option URL here. You just do one small work from your side. You have to just put the future price currently and the strike interval, and you just click on OK, and you see the magic. Now what is the magic? There is no magic. First of all, this is just automation of some manual labor work what we used to do. So it has some, I have put around 30 to 35 predefined option strategies. So what it will do is it will just directly calculate those strategies and their payoffs based on the current option chain, and it will show you. So suppose I take this straddle, okay, and I see what is it. Double click on it and I'll get the straddle directly plotted here. So it is asking me to buy a call and buy a put. Okay, so because currently IVs are really too high, buying both call and put will be mostly in a loss, right? So only I'm getting profit when it goes to 10 10,050, and on the other side I'm going profit only when it goes on up of 10,650, right? So while straddle with very high IV is actually not recommended, but it will still count it and give you. So what you have to do is you will just go here and you should just find out what is. So there is a one limitation I will try to tell you. Suppose this is a long call. actually we know long call is an unlimited profit strategy, but its risk is limited, right? But if you see, it has a max loss of 128 because what it's doing is it's buying a call of 350 at 128. So your loss is 128, but your profit can be anything, right? But here it's showing you max profit of 171. Now, why it is showing you max profit of 177 is it is counting only till the 7 strikes from the current at the money strikes. Okay, so that's why it's showing you 171 as your profit. So if I just plot it here, what you will see is it has started generating profit only when it comes to 10,500, right? Your call is of 350, so from 350 you are adding 128, so 350 plus 100 is to 450, 450 plus 28 is to 78, right? So 478 and 21, so at 500 you get 21 rupees. And then the other strike is 500. So if you count from here, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, so including this it's 7 strikes, so it is counting only 7 strikes, and that's why your max profit is 171. But this is realistic, right? Because you cannot expect market to be going very up and down. Expect the current scenario where things are really very different. It can go any direction currently, but in normal scenario it will not go more than this, right? So that's why this is in counting. So whenever you are using it, you have to use your little brain also, and you have to take your own smart decision, because this is not to help you to create a smart decisions. Okay, it will just remove your manual work, but ultimate thing is on you. Okay, so these are all the changes what are there in this. If you find anything, any error, do let me know. I am actually trying to help a lot of people who are pinging. Okay, but I am not always able to help everyone, but I still try. So you just write a comment. I will try to see if I can help you. Okay, and if you are thinking some new features or additions to be added which can help you in using it, you just comment it. I will try to do it. And just make sure this is completely free plugin, so it comes without any kind of warranty and no dedicated support. Okay, so if you are assuming that I would to give you a dedicated support, it will not be possible for me, but I'll try to solve the errors as and when I'm having time. I will solve it and I will keep on posting new updates. Okay, thank you very much.